Back to another video. Today I am going to be testing the smoke alarms because it clearly says on my badge, Zach O. Fire Alarms Test Inspector. We're on a home. This is gonna be loud, so it's gonna go like this. So then it's gonna go loud. Yep, that's. I don't know if you hold to test this one, but we already tested this one, the Kid A. So I don't think we need to test this one, but dude, come on. Okay, we're gonna be testing some more. So guys, I do not know how to test that one. So looking around for any other smoke alarms around the home. Trying to make sure that's all safe. Whew. No fire alarms. So have this first alert smoke alarm that is apparently not connected. So why won't it work? I'm gonna cover my ears a little. Dude, it's not working. Why? Your smoke alarm is not working.
Watch out, T. I'm going to show you where's that.
So this is a cool pen that I just got. Let's actually try it out. Oh! My belt goes up my back. I hate that. Dude, I don't know how to write. Ah! Oh! I'm just gonna draw a fire alarm. It's not my best sketch, obviously. Let's kill that image. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nice fire alarm here. Let's test it. Nothing's going off. Let me see if I have that key. Oh, yep, at 45. Why did they put this so high up? Seriously. Oh, hot potato, hot potato, potato, hot. There. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video.